Hi, it's Kevin Lobates here, and video 2 in a series on blockchain and voting. So if you look at the voting process, it has three distinct parts to it. It has a beginning and a middle and an end. And in the beginning, what you're looking at is identity and eligibility. Who are the voters? Are they actually entitled to vote? Are they who they say they are? And you also have to identify the candidates, who's standing for the election, and you need to make sure that it's clear to the voters which are the candidates and that there's no fraud going on or people impersonating other people. So that's an area where blockchain could have some relevance in terms of self-sovereign identity, but I think that's of lesser importance at this stage. If you're looking at, for example, national or local elections, there are already identification systems in place to determine who is allowed to vote and to make sure that people aren't voting multiple times or fraudulently. Then there's a middle bit, and that's where the votes are actually cast and stored. So that's the piece where I think blockchain is probably the most relevant. It's not the only solution, but I think it offers a lot of benefits that many of the other solutions do not, and I'll be talking about that more in a future video. And then finally at the end, you need to pass the results. You need to actually analyze what votes were cast and determine who won. So three distinct parts. The third one, again, you may be drawing on the data in a database or a blockchain, but the actual process itself probably not going to be tied deeply to the actual blockchain itself. It'll be a process that works equally well as long as you have a reliable database. So those are the three parts of voting that I identified back in 2017 when I was looking at this stuff. And as I said, in the next video I'll talk about the middle bit and come up with some models that I think may help clarify what's going on there. That's it for now. See you in the next video soon. Bye.